My name is Elizabeth, and I'm going to tell you why it's important to wear a mask. And it's important you can't wear one that have air places for you to breathe. You can just wear ones without places to breathe on them.
You mean the vents?
Yes. And always put them on when you're in public places where there can be a lot of people. You don't need to put them on when you're in your house. Just put them on when there's lots of people around. And like when you're in a shop, in a public place, and anywhere where there could be lots of people, but of course not in your house. And you should put masks on also to protect other people. And also, it will stop you from spreading the virus and other people from getting sick. And that's why it's important to wear a mask. And also, you need to wash your hands with soap and water, and if no sinks are around you, take a pack of hand gel so you can put some hand gel on. That will do. You should also wash your hands for 20 seconds or sing happy birthday twice. And also, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.